Hey guys, I'm Joe Zieja, voice actor and author, and the voice of Claude in Fire Emblem Three Houses. I've got something going on my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/Joe Zieja, and that's a subscriber goal. What's a subscriber goal? It's a goal, a set number where I'm trying to get subscribers onto my channel. Subscribers get access to specialized emotes, they're immune from slow mode on my Twitch streams, and they also get access to my private Discord server, where we have a ton of fun stuff. We have game nights. I stop in and chat all the time, and it's just a fun place to be. And you only get it if you're a subscriber on my Twitch channel. So the subscriber goal right now is for one thing, which is a FAILNAUGHT bow for my Claude cosplay. If you're not familiar, when I hit 50,000 Twitter followers, I promised everyone I would do a post-time skip Claude cosplay. I'm actually kind of nervous because I've never done any kind of cosplay before, but that's okay. I'm doing it for you guys because you're awesome. I found a costume designer, Somerset Sews, who is amazing, and you should go check out her work. And I'm gonna cover the cost of the costume and all that. The bad thing is, it doesn't include FAILNAUGHT, which is Claude's amazing bow. And I know many of you have probably seen this in a bunch of videos if you followed me at all. And while it's super cool and super quaint, I don't know if it's really gonna work out for something like a neat cosplay shoot that's supposed to be really accurate and the quality of the costume. So we found someone that's willing to 3D print a copy of FAILNAUGHT. It's gonna be huge, beautiful, and gigantic, and unfortunately more expensive than the costume itself. So that's what we are going for that subscriber goal for. If I hit 2,000 subscribers, I will go ahead and grab FAILNAUGHT, I'll cover the cost, and then I will include it in the cosplay shoot, and it's gonna be tons of fun. One other thing, a benefit of being in the Discord server, where do you think I'm gonna post all the pictures first? Who's gonna get all the first reveals of the costume as it's going in progress? The first pictures from the photo shoot. I even promised everyone in the Discord server I would do a video chat with them in full Claude costume. So there's lots of fun stuff that's gonna happen in the Discord server that gives you extra perks for being a subscriber. So if you wanna help me get to that FAILNAUGHT sub goal, www.twitch.tv/Joe Zieja. Head out there, smash that subscribe button, and I will see you in full Claude splay next time. Fear the deer.